Hi everyone, welcome to Caking at Midnight. Tonight we are going to work on our drips, so let's roll that intro. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's at caking_at_midnight. And if you like the video this evening, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. As always, hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Okay, so tonight we're gonna work on a drip. And I know that some of us have it figured out, some of us don't. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I usually use candy melts from Merkins, but sometimes if they're heated up too fast or they burn, then we have a problem. So I do a lot of late night cake ordering, and I found these. They are made by Food & Crafting. Here's a vanilla and a chocolate, or white and a chocolate. They do come in multiple colors, and the directions sound really, really easy. And if it sounds really easy, it should be easy, but we're gonna try it out. So this is just a bottle of chocolate drip. It says to remove the lid, put it in the microwave, shake it, and go to town. So let's try it. We're gonna stick it in the microwave. It said 20 to 30 seconds. I put it in for 25. Lid's back on. Shake well. Doesn't seem very liquidy. It does shake more than the other one. Okay. It says to put it on a chilled cake, drip on chilled cake. So I just have a 7-inch round. I just have a 7-inch round that is chilled. It's like a semi-naked cake. Let's try it. We're going for easy. Sorry, I'm backwards. Okay, so I was very nervous that this was not gonna work, but I am very impressed. That looks really cool. And I didn't do much but stick it in the microwave for 25 seconds. Ooh, I like this. So much easier. I did taste it. Josh had told me to taste it. I have tasted it. This, the chocolate tastes like a really dark chocolate or a heavy chocolate, and the white one tastes like white chocolate. Now I don't have the other colors, but now that I see that this works, I want every color. It doesn't say that you can color it though, so I wonder, but it's in a bottle, so it's probably not worth it. But these do come, I think, in every color of the rainbow that I've seen, and I don't think I paid that much for them. I'll put that down in the link where I got it and how much it was, but that was so much easier than warming up chocolate, and this was 25 seconds in the microwave. So I'm sold. These are by Food Crafting. I said lots of different colors. Definitely try it. It is awesome. So I hope you enjoyed the video on our drip this evening. I'm very impressed. Happy caking.